Malacañang defended the reappointment of Ronald Cardema to the National Youth Commission as it received criticism from netizens. On Facebook, Cardema posted his appointment paper. The ex-NYC chair returns to his former office as commissioner. When Cardema's hometown congratulated him, it drew flack on social media. Cardema was appointed a year after the Commission on Elections disqualified him as first nominee of the Duterte Youth Party-list. Mala spokesperson Harry Roque cited presidential prerogative in the appointment of Cardema.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.